I would rather cry in the Lamborghini. I would rather cry in Ferrari. I would rather cry in the private jet than to smile in the trenches. Is a phrase and common word in the mouth of Nigerians, and it has become much more popular. But this same word is quite misleading. This word has misled so many doing the wrong thing. But as God may have it, one of those subjects who has in the past preferred to cry in the Ferrari than to smile in the trenches is reaching out. She is reaching out for help. That means all that glitters is not gold. And I keep saying this to people. No follow social media people. Oh. If no be so, your mind go touch ground. On your own, God don't give you the ability. God has given you the ability to know between good and bad. But because of peer pressure, because of some people update and all of that, we won't meet up forcefully. Wake up, Nigeria.